In this Bookly Pro review, I'm going to be showing you a software that will let you create professionally looking children's ebooks, fiction books, mystery books, novels, poems, legal documents, and more using the power of AI. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals and upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Bookly Pro, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. The last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says brand new 100% Google Bard and Leonardo AI powered app creates professionally looking 50,000 plus children's storybooks, subjective ebooks, fiction ebooks, mystery ebooks, business related ebooks, novels, poems, legal documents, project reports, presentations, and 2,500 niches loaded with beautiful templates, powerful AI images, and 100% PLR rights, meaning that you can actually sell these. Now, you can sell them for $85 to $565 bare minimum, and now make $587.8 bare minimum daily. Now, here's the thing. This software will create this content for you, but don't expect it's going to magically start making you $587.80 daily. It's just a tool. It's not a magic money printing machine. So just be aware of that. Don't let the hype, don't get fooled by that. It's just the software that creates content for you. Now, they have some testimonials. These people actually look real here. So those might be real testimonials, which is a breath of fresh air to actually see that. But they talk about the ebook market and how profitable it is, etc. With this, you can actually create content with a few clicks. You can actually create PDF books with this. You can create different formal letters, project reports with it. You can create custom content, all included inside of the software here. They have some examples. See the real earnings we made by selling professional books. I don't believe that they actually sold books and made this money. This is AdSense income. I don't believe this, guys. Sorry, but that's fine. You can see here people actually selling ebooks and doing this kind of service on places like Fiverr and Upwork. So there is an opportunity to actually sell this as a service to people. They say log in, create, and then sell and profit. Of course, your profits can depend upon what you're doing in your business. So again, it's a tool, not a magic money making machine. They don't exist. I wish they did, but they don't. But yeah, you can create this content. I'm gonna scroll down here through all this sales page craziness and get to the bottom. If you purchase, you get access to all this stuff right here for a one-time price. They do looks like they have some kind of an upgrade. If you click this little button, you can unlock the Bookly Pro 1K business, create storybooks, ebooks, and docs in multi-languages. So it unlocks a multi-language option there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and play a video, explain this a little bit more. Then I'll come back, show you the backend area and the upgrades.
Stop whatever you're doing right now and make sure to have your sound turned up. In this short video, you'll discover a never-seen-before opportunity to create and sell mind-blowing professional books and business documents in just seconds with no monthly fees and no annual fees during this launch period. So if you too are willing to grab your share from the huge $28 billion professional book and business documents industry, you're in for a great surprise today. Presenting Bookly Pro. Brand new 100% Google Bard plus Leonardo AI powered app creates professional looking 50,000 plus children's story ebooks, subjective ebooks, fiction ebooks, mystery ebooks, science fiction ebooks, novels, poems, legal documents, project report presentations loaded with beautiful templates, powerful AI images with 100% PLR rights for a low one-time price. With this amazing technology in your marketing arsenal, even newbies can make $587.80 bare minimum daily by instantly creating and selling these professional books and business documents in PDF, EPUB, or any format with no prior writing or designing skills. Just follow 3 easy steps. Number 1, log in. Number 2, create. Number 3, profit. And that's it. You're all set to make profits from this lucrative professional books and business documents industry with no initial investment or third-party dependency. Here are some amazing benefits you get with Bookly Pro. First to market next-gen technology that creates professional books and business documents like never before. Instantly grab your share from the huge $28 billion professional books and business documents industry. Create premium, mind-blowing books and business documents loaded with stunning images to convert visitors into customers. Drive maximum audience attention to your professional books and business documents by adding eye-catchy images, visuals, etc. Create and sell professional documents in a variety of formats, including EPUB, PDF, and MOBI. Bank in big by distributing these documents to a variety of platforms, such as online retailers, social media marketers, affiliate marketers, email marketers, etc. Instantly create professional covers that are both attractive and mind-blowing. Make professional books and business documents for any offer in any niche with no prior tech hassles or coding skills. Use these industry standard documents to create multiple set and forget passive income streams. Proprietary tech helps join thousands of marketers who are making billions of dollars creating professional documents for their clients. Never worry about paying huge money monthly to expensive third-party platforms. 100% easy to use, newbie-friendly technology that's never seen before. And to sweeten the deal, we're also offering tons of premium bonuses that are available only during this special launch deal. But make it fast, as this is a limited time offer. Once you close this page, this special deal will be a goner. To remove all risks, your purchase is fully covered by our 30 days ironclad money-back guarantee. But you need to hurry. Once this special launch is over, Bookly Pro will only be available for a premium monthly fee only. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes zero. Click on the button below this video to get Bookly Pro for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa.
Okay, so we are back. So this is what the backend area is going to look like after you purchase. When you go inside here, you have your story creator, bookmaker, novel creator, poem, formal letter, project report, presentation, and custom content, all built inside of this app. There are multiple upgrades. The first one is a pro account, unlocks pro features, removes their branding. You can build custom content, add 10 times more power to it. So add your own watermark on images instantly, unlock custom content maker, unlock formal letter creator. So it looks like those ones are included on this pro version. Create white label professional books with this version of the software. Let's see if they put the price on here. I imagine this is around something like 37 for this, but let me see here, 47. Okay, so it's 47 for the premium version. Looks like they've got this one right here. It has some less features here. This one has the white label license included. So that's the first upgrade. At the time of recording this, when I move my mouse away or click the no thanks button, there's no downsell, but just be aware of that. If there ever is, I try to show you guys that this is unlimited. So if you want to remove all restrictions and go unlimited with this, you can. This one is 47 one time for this one. Then they have the ultimate one, where it's going to let you create e-covers for your books. And if you go down and check this one out, this one is 47 for this one. Then they've got another one for you can create your own professional custom landing pages. So this one is, I'm going to guess 47, 67 for this one. Okay, so 67. Start your profitable 3-in-1 marketing agency. This one is, see if they tell me the price. No, they're not listing the price on this one, but okay, so we don't know the price on that one. Next one's the reseller license. You can actually resell this and keep all the money on that. So that's an optional upgrade for you there. And then the last one is white label. So you can actually rebrand it and sell it like it's your own software and put like your name on it. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Bookly Pro and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about it, it's like claiming that you're gonna make $500 a day, etc. It's just silly. Like, this is just a tool. It's not a money-making machine. What do I like about it? If you're looking for a way of creating content, you want a way of creating ebooks, and you want a software that's not gonna cost you very much, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my Bookly Pro review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.